been lost and alone in the city of lights. I know, getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights. I know, but I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights. I know, getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights. I know, but I will guide you home.
Sump plug just suddenly came undone, spanner slipped off, and I whacked my head right into a load of brackets. Hey, that is great. That is great. Look at my hands.
Yeah, it's got water in it. But we're not going to have enough engine oil for this.
Howard, you about again? Usually when replacing an oil filter, you would put a bit of the old oil on the seal to help it come undone again. But because the old oil was full of water and just wasn't very good in general, I'm using a bit of John Deere grease guard, which is just ordinary grease. Does the same job. Yeah.
I think we've got to wash it for this.
I want one on it last time. We should make these not as smooth. Your hands just slip on them.
Yeah. Maybe we've timed up enough last time.
I
don't feel like yourself, and you kinda hate it. You suppress all of the thoughts in your head and say it's complicated. You hide your pain, but I can see it etched on your face. I know the feeling, swear you're okay, but you're barely breathing. Don't you walk away. Cause I feel you getting lost, I feel you trailing off. Feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal about the way that your hands shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts, surrounded by your paper walls. Tell me what's been going on. Tell me what's been going on. I was so caught up thinking about myself, never took time to listen. Couldn't see that you were going through hell. Now you're cold and distant. You say you're fine, but your heart is bleeding. Feed me those lines, but they lost the meaning. I know something isn't right. See the demons in your eyes. I know you're afraid. I feel you getting lost, I feel you trailing off. Feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal about the way that your hands shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts, surrounded by your paper walls. Tell me what's been going on. Tell me what's been going on. Won't you tell me now? You never answer when I call, locked in your room and so it don't. Tell me what's been going on. Tell me what's been going on. I feel you getting lost, I feel you trailing off. I feel it in your words When you're lost on the moonlit night, I'll be by your side to be your guiding light. Promise I won't be far behind, I will hold you tight. Let it go aside. When you're lost on the moonlit night, I'll be by your side to be your guiding light. Promise I won't be far behind, I will hold you tight. Let it go aside. When it's gonna show. She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away, loving for another day. But she asked for something more. She asked for, yeah, she asked for something beautiful.
Little did we know this would be the worst decision of the project. If anyone that knows, when you mix clay and water together it just makes sludge. And that isn't really what you want for a good foundation for a farm building. We ended up digging this back off again and putting it to the side, basically the bottom side where the tractor is, where we left a bit of room to put our silage bales throughout the winter.
Loving for another day. But she asked for something more. She asked for, yeah, she asked for something beautiful. Something beautiful. Yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She asked for, yeah, she asked for, she asked for something beautiful.
So can you tell what's happened with our little nest? Basically we were tipping muck from after doing the drains into the building site to build it up a bit. And the water the clay soaked up the water and it just made it into a bog hole. So now we're having to take away all the mush and put it here because we'll be storing bales there get that somewhere near with this sloppy mess that's not wanted where the building's going, that'll be alright, but we're hoping to get stoned up this week, but there's a storm coming on the way, so that's been here. We're not going to get very far, so tonight, which is Tuesday night, we thought we'll just get as far as we can with it. Then with the rain coming on Wednesday and Thursday, and it being this time of year now, which is autumn, it won't dry up very fast.
Hey desire, burning like a fire. What you gonna do when it crumbles down? Watch it get higher, down to the wire. Will you let it burn till we almost drown? Higher, goodbye, honey, where do we lie? Where you're headed, am I going there too? I don't wanna ask why, wanna give this a try with you. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone, 'cause it's a big